In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your followers on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, you need to open up Instagram app. Then just tap right here to go to your Instagram profile. Then tap right here at three lines to go to settings and activity, and that's where we can easily find account privacy. If we get in here, we'll find the private account option here. So guys, the only way to hide our followers on Instagram is just make our account private. To do that, I'm going to tap right here, and then we need to confirm this action by tapping right here at switch to private. That's how you can easily make your account private, and that's how you can easily hide your followers from all the users except people that follows you. Unfortunately, guys, if your account is actually a business account like that one, you won't be able to turn it into private until you switch it back to personal. I'm gonna show you how to do that, and first off, we need to tap right here at three lines to go to the settings and activity. Then scroll down a bit and tap at business tools and controls. Select switch account type, then tap at switch to personal account, and then hit right here to confirm it. After a couple of seconds, your business account will be turned into a personal account, and then you will be able to turn it into a private account in the way I shown you before. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.